Today, we're diving into something truly beneficial for cryptocurrency enthusiasts and newcomers alike: the Bingx platform. Here's how you can unlock exclusive advantages for your trading journey using the keyword Bingx promo code and the referral code CHUCHU. Bingx, a leading global cryptocurrency exchange, isn't just another platform. It's a gateway to an enhanced trading experience. When you sign up with Bingx, you're not just opening an account. You're stepping into a world filled with opportunities. But why not make that journey more rewarding? By using the Bingx promo code, specifically CHUCHU as your referral code, you instantly gain access to several perks. Discounted trading fees. Lower trading fees mean you keep more of your profits or have more capital for trading. Bonus rewards. From registration bonuses to deposit matchups, the Bingx promo code unlocks a treasure trove of extra benefits. Enhanced security. With Bingx, your funds and personal information are secured with top-level encryption and insurance protection. VIP membership. Depending on your trading volume, using the promo code can also fast-track your way to achieving VIP status, complete with additional rewards and exclusive services. Here's what you need to do. Step-by-step guide. 1. Sign up at Bingx. Visit Bingx's official website or download the Bingx app. 2. Enter the referral code. During registration, enter CHUCHU to apply the promo code and unlock your benefits. 3. Start trading. With your account ready, dive into the extensive list of cryptocurrencies supported by Bingx. With lowered fees and bonus rewards, now's the best time to enter or expand your trading portfolio. Trading isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's about leveraging tools, promotions, and platforms like Bingx to maximize your gains and minimize losses. The Bingx promo code, CHUCHU, acts as your personal key to enhanced opportunities on Bingx. Ready to get started? Remember, opportunity knocks, but you have to open the door. Use the keyword Bingx promo code and the referral code CHUCHU when joining Bingx to elevate your trading game. Your journey to financial empowerment in the volatile yet promising world of cryptocurrencies begins now. Thank you for watching.